Palagi na lang, kapag mayroong problema, ang tinitingnan natin, yung side natin. No, we're not the problem. The problem is Kuwait. The problem is the government of Kuwait not doing enough. Palagi natin sinisisi ating mga sarili. Like I said, Secretary, hindi kailangan na experience kung pagiging kasambahay lamang, sanay na sanay po yung ating mga OFW. Siguro, teach them about culture differences, which is madali yun. OFWs natin marunong mag-English. Kaya nga, hindi man tayo sa lahat ng bansa because kahit na grade 2 nakakapag-English, paano, unlike sa ibang nationalities. Sir, this is what I want you to do. And even if I have to talk to the president about this, and I will. Ibalik natin siguro yung ban. Wala na munang new deployment. Stop. Yung mga nandun ngayon, may kontrata, gusto nila mag-renew ng kontrata, okay ako. Kaya lang, wala nang bago.